Stop by and take a look at the 2022 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: moonroof, turbocharged, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, daytime running lights, tires front all season. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.